Hi guys, today we're making paper texture art. First you have to soak all the paper. You preferably cut the paper before soaking it because it's easier. Then take it out, rinse it, then put it into a bowl. Cut it up or grind it. Then keep mixing. Now distribute the tissue paper based on how many colors you need. Rinse out the paper because if there's too much water it takes too long to dry, and only put desirable amounts because the tissue paper can be stored for later. The first color I picked was light green along with dark green, and you have to mix it until there are no clumps left. With Fevicol so that it sticks on the canvas or paper. You need to use the tools. I use the thick one so that it's easier to do. There mustn't be any white tissue or clumps left. The next color I chose was orange and lemon yellow, which made it look like a sunrise yellow. Keep mixing until there are no clumps left, and then wipe your tool and then use the next color, which I used as lemon yellow. I only put a small quantity because I only needed less. Mix. Just like that, do the rest of your colors. I used an old canvas to reuse since I was 5. Now you must draw and then apply your tissue. I use a small tool so that it's easier to do, and I picked the right colors. You must use vibrant colors because they look nice and they'll stand out. Distribute it evenly so that it looks colorful, vibrant, and it has the same texture everywhere. I use dark blue, yellow, purple, sunrise orange, and green. I would advise you to put all the colors at once because they might dry out over a period of time because of the Fevicol. Make sure you stick to the shape you have drawn on your canvas / paper, and then you can use other tools to smoothen it out. I applied purple next. If you have large quantities, you can use large amount of tissue paper, and you can use larger tools if there's a large area so that it goes faster. But if you prefer sticking to details, you can do smaller. And anytime you have lesser tissue paper, you can just get the extra out and then mix it with the colors. Next there's green, which I used for both the leaves. I used a bigger tool for this because it was a large area, it was easier to do. Then the second leaf. Now I'm doing red, which is very vibrant, as you can see, which makes it all stand out. Next, sunrise yellow, right in between the red and the yellow, which makes it look shaded. I used a small tool for this because if you get in the flower, then it might ruin the whole design. Make sure you don't touch any of this paint because it can be really wet. It can stick to your hands. Next, I put white for the flowers. I used a very small tool for this because if you get the shape of the flowers wrong, the whole look of the painting goes away. And for some reason my white was really wet, so I didn't put my red in between. Then I put my yellow, and as you can see, I did another flower over there. Again, I used a small tool for the outlines. I eventually put red, but it sort of shaded in with the white. Now this is the final painting. It looks really nice. Do you guys agree? Comment and hit that like button. Subscribe. Thank you.